Welcome to this complete Lagos, Portugal travel guide. Nestled in the heart of the Algarve region, Lagos is a captivating coastal town that effortlessly blends rich history with sun-soaked relaxation. Once a bustling maritime hub during the Age of Discoveries, Lagos now serves as a beacon for travelers seeking a taste of authentic Portuguese charm. Here, ancient city walls whisper tales of bygone eras, while golden beaches beckon with promises of sun-drenched days. The azure waters of the Atlantic play host to an array of water sports, offering thrill-seekers a chance to make a splash, and when the sun sets, Lagos comes alive with a vibrant nightlife that dances to the rhythm of the sea. Whether you're a history buff, a beach bum, or a night owl, Lagos has something for everyone. So kick off your shoes, let your hair down, and immerse yourself in the magic of this coastal paradise. Join us as we explore the top 10 things to do in Lagos, Portugal. First on our list is the breathtaking Ponta da Piedade. A haven of natural beauty, this place is a testament to the artistic hand of Mother Nature herself. The heart of Ponta da Piedade is where you'll find a collection of stunning rock formations, sculpted by the elements over thousands of years. Each one is a unique masterpiece, standing tall against the backdrop of the Atlantic Ocean. But that's not all. The lighthouse at Ponta da Piedade is an iconic symbol of Lagos, Portugal. It stands like a sentinel over the rugged coastline, casting its guiding light over the vast expanse of the Atlantic. The views here are nothing short of spectacular. As you gaze out over the ocean, you'll be taken aback by the sheer beauty of the scene. The deep blue of the Atlantic stretches out as far as the eye can see, meeting the sky at the horizon in a perfect line of tranquility. Ponta da Piedade offers an unforgettable experience of nature's raw beauty. Next up are the Praia do Camilo and Praia Dona Ana. If you're ever in Lagos, you absolutely must visit these two stunning beaches. With their golden sands and crystal clear waters, they are the perfect spots for sunbathing, swimming and snorkeling. Praia do Camilo, with its 125 steps leading down to a secluded cove, is a veritable paradise for those seeking a little tranquility. As you descend, the panoramic view is simply breathtaking. On the other hand, Praia Dona Ana offers dramatic cliff formations, creating a unique landscape that's a feast for the eyes. The beach is also known for its rock pools, providing the perfect opportunity for snorkeling enthusiasts to explore underwater life. From the refreshing Atlantic water to the warm Portuguese sun, these beaches are the epitome of a summer haven. They truly embody the soul of Lagos, a place where nature's beauty is in full abundance. A visit to Lagos isn't complete without a day at these beautiful beaches. Now let's head over to Lagos Old Town. This captivating corner of Portugal is a delightful maze of narrow, winding, cobbled streets, flanked by traditional houses painted in a palette of pastel hues. As you stroll through the labyrinth, you can't help but notice the intricate azulejo tiles that adorn many of the facades, a charming signature of Portuguese architecture. The Old Town is not just a feast for the eyes, but also for the palate. The area is a hub of lively restaurants and bars, each offering a mouth-watering selection of Portuguese cuisine. From fresh seafood dishes to the traditional pastel de nata, your taste buds are in for a treat here. After sunset, the Old Town comes alive with music and laughter, as locals and tourists alike fill the streets, creating a vibrant atmosphere that perfectly encapsulates the spirit of Lagos. The Old Town is a vibrant testament to Lagos's rich history and culture. Next, we visit the Forte de Ponta da Bandeira and Igreja de Santo Antonio. Standing guard at the mouth of the Bensafrim River, the Forte de Ponta da Bandeira is a testament to the military architecture of the 17th century. Originally designed to defend Lagos from pirates, its drawbridge and moat offer a peek into the strategies of the past. Not far from the fort, the Igreja de Santo Antonio is a hidden gem. This charming Baroque church, tucked away in the heart of Lagos, is a spectacle of gilded woodwork, intricate tilework and elaborate frescoes. Its small museum houses an array of religious artifacts that paint a picture of the city's deep-rooted Catholic history. Don't be fooled by their humble exteriors. Both the fort and the church are treasure troves of history and culture. These landmarks are a must-visit for history enthusiasts. Now let's explore the Lagos Marina, a place where the glimmer of the water meets a skyline adorned with yachts and sailboats. Here, An array of waterfront restaurants, each offering an assortment of mouth-watering cuisines, awaits you. From traditional Portuguese fare to global gastronomy, the food scene is as diverse as it is delectable. Stroll along the Marina and you'll stumble across a collection of bars, perfect for those who enjoy a sundowner with a view. Whether you fancy a crisp white wine or a refreshing cocktail, there's a tipple for every taste. Shopaholics? Fear not. The Marina is dotted with a variety of boutique shops, selling everything from unique souvenirs to high-end fashion. And if you're seeking an adventure, there's the opportunity to charter boats for fishing or sightseeing. Imagine spending the day cruising the azure waters, casting a line, or simply soaking up the stunning coastal views. The Lagos Marina is a bustling hub of activity that is sure to keep you entertained. Next, we delve into the darker history of Lagos at the Mecardo de Escraos. This is not just a museum, but a poignant reminder of a time when human beings were bought and sold like commodities. The Mecardo de Escraos, or slave market, was the first of its kind in Europe, dating back to the 15th century. Here, countless lives were forever changed as the African slave trade took a firm hold. Lagos was a pivotal point in this tragic part of history, and the museum serves as a testament to those who suffered. The exhibitions are both moving and enlightening, revealing the harsh realities of the slave trade. Artifacts, stories, and historical accounts paint a vivid picture of a past we should never forget. The museum is not just about the past, it's about understanding our history so we can strive for a better future. A visit to the Mecardo de Escraos is a sobering but important experience. For those seeking adventure, Lagos offers kayaking and boat tours along the coast. Imagine gliding across the azure waters, the salty breeze kissing your face as you navigate your kayak, or sit back and relax on a boat tour. The coastline is a treasure trove of hidden gems, from secluded coves to sun-kissed beaches, each with its own unique charm. You're not just on a journey, you're on a voyage of discovery, uncovering the secrets of Lagos's stunning coastline one paddle stroke at a time. The experience doesn't end with the landscapes. Keep your eyes peeled for the local marine life. From playful dolphins frolicking in the waves to the occasional sea turtle, it's an aquatic safari you won't forget. You'll return with sun-kissed skin, a heart full of memories, and a newfound appreciation for the natural beauty of Lagos. For an adventurous day out, don't miss the chance to kayak or take a boat tour along the coast. Finally, we end our tour at Praia. This sprawling shoreline is a sight to behold, stretching out as the largest beach in the Lagos region. Its golden sands seem to vanish into the horizon, inviting you to explore its vast expanse. The beach isn't just about unwinding, though. It's a hub of activity, with a slew of amenities to keep you entertained. The beachfront is dotted with restaurants serving up local delicacies. Whether you're a seafood aficionado or a fan of traditional Portuguese fare, there's a dish here with your name on it. For the thrill seekers among you, Praia offers a range of water sports. Whether it's surfing the Atlantic waves, jet skiing, or paddleboarding, there's an adventure waiting for you here. The beach is also equipped with facilities such as sun loungers, umbrellas, and showers, ensuring you have all you need for a comfortable day out. Praia is the perfect place to relax and enjoy the Portuguese sun. And there you have it, our top 10 things to do in Lagos, Portugal. From the breathtaking views at Ponta da Piedade to the sun-kissed shores of Praia do Camilo and Praia Dona Ana, the natural beauty of Lagos is simply unparalleled. A stroll through the Lagos Old Town will transport you back in time, while the Forte da Ponta da Bandeira and Igreja de Santo Antonio offer a unique blend of history and architecture. The Lagos Marina is a hub of activity, bustling with lively cafes and shops. Don't forget to visit the Mecardo de Escraos, a poignant reminder of a darker past. If adventure is your calling, kayaking or boat tours along the coast are a must. And finally, a day at Praia is the perfect way to unwind. With its beautiful beaches, rich history, and vibrant culture, Lagos offers an unforgettable experience. We hope this guide inspires you to plan your visit soon.